Welcome back, IP1. I hope you're doing great, you're staying safe, and you're staying home. Today we have our new topic. Our new topic is about keyboard and typing. This is lesson 12 together. And without any further ado, let's get started. So first, I would like you to remember these words. Keyboard. I hope by now you know what a keyboard is. If you do not know what a keyboard is a panel of keys that operate a computer or typewriter. Alphabet, I think by now you should know what an alphabet is. A, B, C, and so on, and A, B, C, so on. So capital letter and capital letters of A, B, C, D, and so on, and also the lowercase of the alphabet. Other words that you can remember is type, home key, capital letter, small letter, or lowercase. Type. What is type or typing? It's writing something by a computer keyboard. Writing something by a computer keyboard. What is home keys? It's the base position for your fingers. It's the base position for your fingers. Capital letter. So capital letter is the uppercase letter, which is A, B, C, D, and so on. So you have to follow the rest. Or lowercase letters is small letters, or lowercase letters is A, B, C, D. Also, you can see the difference between capital letters or uppercase letters and small letter or lowercase letters, which look like this. This is your keyboard. It has many different keys on it. You can see alphabets on it. You can use it to write and type. So this is the keyboard where you can type and write. So using this, you can use this, you type, you use your fingers, you type on it, and everything you type, the computer will calculate and check what you're writing, and it will understand that you want to write, hello, how are you? Or hi, or my name is, all right? So it will calculate what you are wanting to write. So it will help you to write down what's on your mind into your presentation or Word file or email or any other program that you're using. So let's practice some English words. So where do you need to place your fingers to type apple, for example? If you want to find A for apple, you can find it on your keyboard here in the middle on the left part. If you want to write P, you find it here. So you click it 2 times, you press it 2 times. So A, P, P. So next one is L. L is right here on the keyboard under P. So A, P, P, L. Next is E. E, you press it right here. So A, P, P, L, E, apple. You can try to type it using your keyboard. Next, we have ball. We have ball. So B, you find it right here in the middle. A here, L here. So you press it once, B, press it again, A, So you press A next, and then you press L, and you press again because we have two L's for ball. Next word, we have cat. We need C first, so we find C on the keyboard, and then A, and then T. So C-A-T, cat. Next we have dog, D-O-G, dog. So you can find it on your keyboard and try to type it. Next we have egg, egg, E right here, you find it on your keyboard. Next we have G, double G, so you press it 2 times, right? Don't forget, if you have to press something twice, if you have some letter twice in one word, so you can press 2 times. Next we have flower, F, you can find it on the keyboard, L-O-W-E-R, flower. This is your keyboard. It has many different keys on it and or buttons which you can press, and you can see the alphabet on your keyboard right here. You can see numbers, you can see alphabets, you can see special keys such as tab. You can use it to write and type. So basically, you can see everything. That here would be the main letters that you would need to type in your words. Here are numbers on the right hand side. On the top, there's another key for numbers and some symbols. The very top is like some in different programs, it has different functions, so it's too deep. So just know that those are functional keys on the top. And then on the left hand side, we have the other types of functional keys such as tab, caps, shift, control. Control is very important to us. Next, we have how do you place your hand the correct way on your keyboard. So the correct way is that your fingers should be on the home keys mainly. So what is the home keys? The home keys is right in the middle of your keyboard, which is A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, and this point comma sign at the end. We call this the QWERTY keyboard or QWERTY. Now let's take a look at your fingers. All right, let's take a look at your fingers. Okay, look at your hand. The first finger on your right hand, let's take a look at your right hand, okay? So the left finger, the small one, is called pinky. Next one, we have the ring finger. The next one, we have the middle finger. Next, we have the index finger. And the last, we have the thumb. And you have to learn how to place your finger onto the keyboard. So the pinky of your left hand would go on letter A, and the ring finger of your left hand would go on S, and the middle finger would go on D. The index finger on your left hand would go on F, and the thumb of your left hand would go on space. Now that we know about your left hand, let's go to your right hand. The pinky of your right hand would go on the comma and the point sign. Next, we have your ring finger, which would go on L, and your middle finger of your right hand should go on K. And lastly, but not least, your index finger and your thumb. Your index finger would go on J, and your thumb of your right hand will go on the space as well. All right, now that we know that, we move on. Now, take a look at this. This is your right hand on the home keys. So you can see, as I mentioned already, your right hand would be controlling JKL and the comma sign, the point comma sign, and also the space. Your left hand, on the other hand, will be controlling ASDF and the space sign, space key. So your hands, how to control the keyboard. This is how you can control it. So you can see the left hand and the right hand. So the colors will show you based on the colors you can follow which finger is for which area. So let's start with the brown one. The brown one is for your left hand, for your pinky. With your pinky, you can check out which ones you should be controlling. So your hands, your fingers should be always on the middle, and the fingers can control the brown one. So your pinky can control the brown keys. So we have caps lock or ZAQ1. So you can see shift here. So the left part. So the pinky on your left hand controls the left brown part. Next, we have your ring finger, which is controlling X, S, W, and 2. The gray one, because the finger is gray also. Next, we have the purple one, the purple finger, which is the middle finger, which is controlling C, D, E, and 3, which is also purple keys. Next, we have the the blue, which is your index finger, which is controlling V, B, F, G, R, T, and 4 and 5, which are the blue keys. Next, we have the space, which is both of the thumbs are controlling the space. And we have the index of the right hand, which is yellow, and it's controlling NMHJYU67, which are the yellow keys, which is matching with the finger. Next one is the middle finger of the right hand, which is green color, and it's matching with the green colored keys, which is point, full stop, K, I, and 8. Next one, we have the orange finger, which is can you tell me what finger is that? It's the ring finger. Yes, so it's controlling also this other keys, which are orange, like 9, O, L, and so on. Next one, we have the last one finger, that is the right hand pinky, which is pink color, and controlling all the pink keys on the right hand side, such as 0, P, question mark, and shift and enter, and so on. So this is the alphabet. I hope by now you know the English alphabet. So this is A, B, C, D, E, and so on till Z. And this is the capital letters. The big one you see is very big, so it's capital. Next one is small letters or lowercase letters, which is the same A, B, C, D, E, but it's smaller. So that's all for today's class. I hope you enjoyed joining today. I'm happy that you joined today's class. Take care, stay safe, and see you for our next class. Take care and bye.